is the enterprise in manufacturing, marketing, and R&D of biomass pellet machinery, crushing equipment, drying equipment, feed pellet production equipment, cooling equipment, and auxiliary equipment in Shandong, China. We are located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China. Rotex Master has built its own R&D center. There are 8 R&D engineers, among them 8 senior engineers with average 12 years experience. Rotex introduces a series of high-precision processing equipment such as large-scale gantry machining center, CNC machining lathe, vertical machining center, and laser cutting machine to ensure the quality of equipment. And we have formed a comprehensive business pattern for project design, new product research, machinery manufacturing, quality inspection, installation and debugging, technical training, and after-sales service. Dedicated to quality control and customer service, our international sales members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained certificates ISO 9001 and our own technical patent, Appearance Patent. Rotex Master equipment not only cover domestic market but also has already been exported to overseas, such as East Europe, North Europe, South Europe, West Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, South Asia, East Asia, Middle East countries, Africa area market. Whether selecting a single product from Rotex Master or seeking the whole biomass pellet production line suitable for you, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.